students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Swimming School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English National School morning shift. I am going to take a higher math class for the student of class 9 today. The students, our today's topic is exercise 11.4, question number 22. Your lecture number is 17, your homework number is 12 for the annual term examination. The students, as a homework, you need to solve question number 19 from exercise 11.4. Okay, and now I am going to solve question number 20, and already I have write down the question on the board. The question is y is equal to x plus 3, y is equal to x minus 3, y is equal to minus x plus 3, and y equal to minus x minus 3 indicate the four sides of a quadrilateral. That means these four are the four straight line. Okay, draw the quadrilateral and determine the area in three different methods. We need to find out the area in three different methods of that quadrilateral, and first of all we need to draw the quadrilateral. To draw the quadrilateral, we need to find out the intersecting points of the given straight lines. Okay, that's why I am going to solve this one. Look, my dear students, is 22 question solution is given. Straight lines are straight lines are, its first one is y is equal to x plus 3, second one is y is equal to x minus 3, third one is y is equal to minus x plus 3, and the fourth one is y is equal to minus x minus 3. Okay, all the four are straight lines, so I am giving the equation number here. Okay, the students, 1 2 3 4 are the equation numbers here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So we need to find out the intersecting points of the straight lines, which lines are intersecting each other. Look at the figure. It's suppose like this way are the four straight lines have. Okay, my dear students, these two straight line can't intersect, right? And these two lines can't intersect if they are parallel to each other. It may be happen, may not be happen. But look at the equations. The first and second equation can't intersect each other, because if we need to find out the intersecting point, we need to find out the value of x and y. Now look in equation 1 and 2. If we subtract the equation 2 from 1, the x term and the y term will be vanished. That's why these two straight line can't intersect. So these two straight lines are parallel to each other. Like this, the equation number 3 and equation number 4, the straight line 3 and straight line 4 can't intersect each other, because if we wish to find out the value of x and y from these two equations, we can't find out. So dear students, first of all, I am adding equation 1 and 3 to find out the intersecting point of this two straight line. Okay, write down add 1 and 3 to find the intersecting point of equation 1 and 2. Sorry, 1 and 3. We are adding 1 and 3 to find the intersecting point of 1 and 3. So if we add these two equations, we will find out in the left side twice y. Y plus y is equal to twice y. That's equal to x and minus x will be vanished. Okay, and plus 3 will be plus 6. So it will be 6 in the right side. So twice y equal to 6. We can write down y equal to how much? Y equal to 3. If we divide both sides by 2, we find out y equal to 3. We have found out already y equal to 3. If we put y equal to 3 in any of the equation, that means in equation 1 or equation 3, we will find out the value of x. So we can write down input y equal to 3 in 1. Then we have what? Y equal to 3 in here. So 3 equal to x plus 3. And if we transfer this 3 into the left side, we will have 3 minus 3, that means 0 equal to x it will be. So x equal to 3 minus 3, or we have found out x equal to 0. That means the intersecting points of the straight line 1 and 3 will be 0, 3, because we have found out the x value and the y value. Okay, so I am writing down in the right side. It will be the intersecting point of 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is x value is 0, that is says 0, and the ordinate is 3. Y is 3, so ordinate is 3. Find out one point of the quadrilateral. Now we will find out the second point of the quadrilateral by the equation 1 and 4, by solving the equation 1 and 4. Okay, now we can write down add 1 and 4, add 1 and 4 to find out the intersection point of 1 and 4, equation 1 and 4. Okay, now add 1 and 4. So the equation 1 and 4 is written here already in the left side. Look, if we add equation 1 and 4, we will get in the left side y plus y equal to twice y. Okay, I am writing this one is twice y. That's equal to, in the right side, my dear students, x and minus x will be vanished. Okay, and 3 and minus 3 will also be vanished. So it will be 0 in the right side. In the right side it will be 0. That means if we divide both sides by 2 to find out the value of y, it will be y equal to 0. Okay, and if we put the value of y in any equation, that means in equation 1 or equation 4, we will find out the value of x. I am going to put the value of y in equation 1. Okay, now put y is equal to 0 in 1. We have what? We have in 1 y equal to x plus 3. So 0 is equal to x plus 3. X plus 3. That means, my dear students, if we transfer this 3 in the left side, it will be minus 3. So x equal to minus 3. Implies that x equal to minus 3. That means the intersecting point of the straight line 1 and 4 is minus 3, 0. Okay, write down the intersecting point of 1 and 4 is what? Is abscissa is minus 3 and ordinate is 0. This is our second point, okay, of the quadrilateral. Now we will find out the third point. To find out the third point, we need to add equation 2 and 3 like this. To find out the fourth point, we will add 2 and 4. Okay, now I am writing this one. Look, now add 2 and 3, add 2 and 3 to find the intersection point of 2 and 3. Now add 2 and 3, how much it would be? If we add 2 and 3, look at question number 2 and 3, it's y and y in the left side, it's y and y in the left side, 2 and 3, okay, it's 2 and 3. So y and y, it will become 2y in the left side, 2y, that's equal to, in the right side it will be x and x will be vanished, okay, and dear students, minus 3 and plus 3 will also be vanished. That means again y equal to 0 we have got, imply that y equal to 0. So now put this value y equal to 0 in equation 2 or 3. Okay, I am putting this value in equation 2, in 2. So you have y equal to, that means 0 equal to x minus 3, x minus 3, y equal to x minus 3 was the equation 2. So y the value is 0, so 0 equal to x minus 3. That means imply that x equal to 3. So our intersecting point of the straight line 2 and 3 is 3, 0, because abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 0. Okay, Now write down this one. The intersection point, the intersecting point of 2 and 3 is abscissa is 3 or it is 0. 3 0 is our third point. Now I am going to find out the fourth point of the quadrilateral. Okay, the solution is more long, but it's so easy, right? Now again add 2 and 4 to find the intersection point. Sorry, it's intersection point of equation 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. Now add 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is given here in the left side. Look at equation 2 and 4. This is 2 and this is 4. The students, if we add 2 and 4 in the left side, it will be twice y. In the right side, x will be omitted, plus x and minus 2 will be omitted, and minus 3 and minus 3 will become minus 6. So twice y equal to minus 6 it will be. Okay, twice y is equal to minus 6. Imply that if we need to find out the value of y, we will divide both sides by 2. We will get y equal to minus 3. Okay, now put y is equal to 3. Sorry, it's minus 3. Put y equal to minus 3 in equation 2 or 4, any equation. We have I am putting this one in 2. So we'll have 0 is equal to x minus 3 is x minus 3. Okay, no, it's y is equal to minus 3. Sorry, it's minus 3. Minus 3 equal to x minus 3. It will be, minus students, if we transfer this minus 3 to the left side, it will be plus 3. So plus 3 and minus 3 will be omitted. That means x equal to 0. Okay, so the last intersecting point, the fourth intersecting point, that means the intersecting point, intersecting point of 2 and 4, point of 2 and 4 is, 2 and 4 is, its abscissa is 0 and ordinate is minus 3. This is our fourth point of this quadrilateral. So now indicate the 4 points we have got. There first is this one 0 3, the second one is minus 3 0, the third one is 3 0, and the fourth one is 0 minus 3. From these 4 points we can draw the quadrilateral, okay, which we have required here. So draw the x-axis and draw the y-axis, okay, in your copy or in your graph. It is 0 0 point. Okay, in the right side we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is 4. The down is 1 2 3 4. It's minus 4. Okay, this is y-axis. Sorry, this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. In the left side we have 1 2 3 4. It's minus 4. It's 1 2 3 4. It's plus 4. Now my dear students, we need to find out all the points. First point is 3 0. Where is, sorry, it's 0 3. First point is 0 3. Where is 0 3? 0 means x-axis is 0. 3 means the y is 0. 3 is 1 2 3. That means this point is 0 3. 0 3. Okay. The second point we have got minus 3 0. Minus 3 in x-axis. So 1 2 3 in the left. Minus 3 0. This point is minus 3 0. Okay. This point is minus 3 0. Now we have find out the next one is what? The next one is 3 0. 3 in the x-axis. In the right side from the origin it's 1 2 3. 3 0. It will be 3 0. Okay, and the last point is 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 means in the lower part of y-axis 1 2 3. It's 0 minus 3. Okay, this point you have found. So we have find out the 4 points, and we need to add these 4 points to find out the quadrilateral or quadrangle. Now add with the scale. You can add this one. Okay, I am doing this one with the scale. Okay. It is our quadrilateral, my dear students. Now we can indicate the points. Suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this point is D. Is A, B, C, D will be our required quadrilateral. Now the second part is what? Look at the second part. The second part is determine the area in three different methods. We need to find out the area, but we need to find out the area in three different methods. This is the problem, my students. For this, we need to find out at first what is the characteristics of this quadrilateral. That means what kind of quadrilateral it is. Is it a rhombus? Is it a square? Is it a rectangle? Or is it a parallelogram? We need to find out. To find out this one, we need to find out the length of all the sides, and we need to find out the diagonal also. Then we can say that what is this one. Okay, so I am erasing this one to solve the second part of this question. Okay, now first of all we need to find out the length of AB. Okay, second part here. Okay, second part is length of AB. Length of AB. Length of AB equal to what? Square root of the ordinates difference and the abscissa difference. My dear students, is minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. The A point is minus 3, 0. B point is 0, minus 3. The point C is what? The point C is 3, 0, and the point D is 0, 3. Okay, I have written this all the points. Now the length of AB is equal to what? AB equal to AB. That means the length difference, the square root of the sum of the square of the abscissa and the ordinates. Now 0 minus minus 3. 0 minus minus 3 means minus and minus makes plus. Plus 3 square. Plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square. Minus 3 minus 0 whole square. Okay? Whole square. So this will be our length of AB. Square root of 0 plus 3 whole square means 3 square, plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square means minus 3 square. Okay, it will be, my dear students, so easy. It's 3 square means 9, and we know minus 3 square means also 9. So 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Square root of 18. Let it come down. Okay, square root of 18 will be the length of AB. Like this, my dear students, we can find out the length of BC, CD and DA. Now length of BC. Length of BC equal to what? Square root of the sum of the squares of the abscissa and the ordinates. Now B and C point is 3 minus 0 square, 3 minus 0 whole square, plus 0 minus minus 3 whole square. 0 minus minus means plus 3 whole square. Okay, so 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, square sign is be there. 0 plus 3 equal to 3, square will be there. It's 3 square plus 3 square, it means 9 plus 9. That's equal to square root of 18. So the length of BC and the length of AB is similar. Root 18 is square root of 18. Now we need to find out the length of CD and DA also. Okay, the length of CD is equal to, now I am going to find out the length of CD. Okay, CD, so 0 minus 3 whole square, square root of 0 minus 3 whole square, plus 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 whole square. That's equal to square root of 0 minus 3, it will be minus 3 whole square, plus 3 minus 0 means 3 square. My dear students, minus 3 square means 9, and 3 square means also 9. It's the square root. That means it is square root of 18 again, the length of CD. Okay, now we need to find out the length of DA. Length of DA need to find out. Okay, I have already write down all the points here to identify the length. Now the length of DA. length of DA equal to square root of the sum of the squares of abscissas and the ordinates. So DA, these 2 points, okay, so minus 3 minus 0, minus 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square, okay. It will be minus 3 minus 0 means minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 3 means minus 3 whole square whole to the power root about, okay. Now it's a simple calculation, dear students. Minus 3 square means 9 plus minus 3 square means 9 whole to the power root about. It's 9 plus 9 again is 18. Square root of 18 is the length of DA also. That means, my dear students, all the lengths are equal to each other. AB, BC, CD, DA, all the lengths are root 18, square root of 18, square root of 18, square root of 18. So we can say that this quadrilateral may be rhombus or maybe a square. Now we need to find out the diagonal. If the diagonal are same, then it will be a square. If the diagonals are not same, then it will be a rhombus, okay. So diagonals are what? Diagonals are AC and BD are the diagonals, okay. Now we can write down here, now diagonal, now length of the diagonal, you can write down length, now length of the diagonal, length of the diagonal AC is equal to square root of difference, sum of the difference of the abscissas and the ordinate, AC, okay. So it's minus 3 minus 3 whole square, it's minus 3 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square. It will be how much? Minus 3 minus 3 means minus 6 whole square, and it is 0, so it will be omitted. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square is 0. Now my students, is minus 6 square means it's 36, square root of 36, that's equal to, it's 6, okay. We can write down plus minus 6, but here we need to write down the minus sign, okay, because length can be negative, okay. That's why I can write down directly here plus minus 6 in the place of plus minus 6, we write down directly 6 because length can be negative. So the length of AC, the length of the diagonal is AC is 6, okay. Now we need to find out the length of the diagonal of BD. What is the length of the diagonal of BD? Here in the, we can write down the length. Now length of the diagonal DC is equal to square root of the sum of the difference of the abscissas and ordinates, is 0 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square plus is 3 minus minus 3. So 3 minus minus means plus 3, okay, whole square. That's equal to 0 is no need to write down this one because 0 will be 0, and 3 plus 3 equal to 6 is square, okay. Now it's square root of 36, 6 square means 36, that's why you can write down 6 directly. Square root of 36 equal to 6, but plus minus 6, but length can be negative, so we can write down 6 here, okay. Now my students, both the diagonal length is 6 unit, okay. That's why we can say that the diagonals are same, and when the diagonals are same and all the sides are equal to each other, so that quadrilateral must be a square, okay. So you can write down the quadrilateral must be a square. The quadrilateral, you can write down here, the quadrilateral will be a square, okay. My dear students, this figure is needed for the next solution, that's why I am not erasing this one, I am erasing in the front, okay, to solve the next part. That means we need to find out now the area of this quadrilateral in 3 ways. How can we find out in 3 ways? The first way will be, because it's a square, so its area will be side square, okay. The first method, and because it's a square, because its square, its area will be, side square. One side is what? The side is all the sides. It's square root of 18. Okay, so we can write down square root of 18 whole square. That's equal to what? That's equal to square root, and square sign will be omitted. It will be 18 square unit. This is our answer, okay, for the first method. Now we will apply the second method. Second method can be, we can use the points, all the 4 points we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given, and we can find out the area with the help of the 4 points. Before that, my dear students, look, it's a square, and this is squares. We know that in each and every square, the diagonal divides that square into 2 equal triangle. That means this AC diagonal divide this quadrilateral into 2 equal parts. That means ADC and the area of ABC will be equal. Okay, I repeat, my students, the area of ABC and the area of ADC will be equal to each other. From this way we can solve the second one. Okay, I am writing down the second method. The second method I am writing here. Okay, the second method. Okay, second method. As A, B, C, D is a square and AC is a diagonal, so the area area of the square A, B, C, D is equal to twice the area of triangle A, D, C. Okay, now we have to find out at first the area of ADC. Okay, its area of ADC is equal to half into base into height. That's equal to, my dear student, half. Base is equal to how much? Base here is AC, the diagonal, and the length of the diagonal AC is 6. And, my dear student, height is what? Height is here, suppose this is O, is DO is the height, and it is must be 3 because the diagonal intersect each other. In a square, the diagonal intersect each other in 2 equal parts. So this is OD is the half of BD. That's why it will be 3. Okay, you can write down the note. You can write down the note because you can write down the note here. Write down a note because DO is equal to half of BD. Now that's equal to its base into height. It will be 3. It will be half into 18. That's equal to 9 square unit. So this is the area of the triangle ADC, and we know that the area of ABCD will be double of this one. Okay, so we can show area of the square ABCD is what? Is 2 multiply 9 square unit. That's equal to 18 square unit. I hope, dear students, you have understood. This is the second method. Now we need to find out the area in another method. Okay, so this is so large, right? Now I am going to solve this one in the third method. That's why I am erasing all of this. Okay, this is our third method, the last one. Third method, we will apply the 4 points here, okay? 4 point areas method, the third method. The points of the square A, B, C, D are A minus 3, 0, B is 0 minus 3, C is 3, 0, and D is 0, 3 are in anti-clockwise. So the area of the square A, B, C, D will be what? Half of these ones is, first one is 3 minus 3, 0, minus 3, 0. Second one is 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. Third one is 3, 0, is 3, 0. Fourth one is 0, 3, 0, 3. And again is first one is minus 3, 0. So minus 3, 0. Now it's a simple multiplication, dear students. When you multiply this way, it will be positive. When you multiply that way, it will be negative. Okay. Now positive is 3 minus 3 minus 3 will make plus 9. 9, 3 3s are 9. Okay, plus 9. Plus 0 and 0 will make 0. Plus 9 9s are, sorry, 3 3s are 9. Plus 0 0s are 0. Now minus, it will be minus 0 0s are 0. So we can write down 0. Okay. 3 3s are 3 and minus 3 will make minus 9. And minus 9 minus 9 will be plus 9. Minus 0, 0s are 0. Minus will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will be minus 9. So minus 9 will be plus 9. Okay. That equal to 2, 1 by 2 in 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. There are 4 9s are there. It will be 36. It will be, now my students, is 18 square unit. So we have find out the area of the square in third method, the same. So this is our answer. Okay, I hope, my dear students, you have understood my today's lecture. Your homework is 12. Please mention your HW number in your HW copy and do the HW properly. Question number 19 of exercise 11.4 in your assigned HW copy. You can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again, inshallah, with a new topic in a new class. Till then,